What's going on, cousins? What's going on? Listen, while I get my under eye spa going, let's jump into what we're gonna be doing today. You see this? We're doing a wig today, y'all. I'm gonna tell you why I'm so hyped. When I saw the wig, I immediately thought 90s layers. Give me the 90s layers that I'm seeing in this wig. I think I may have to cut some layers in it, but even so, if I do, I should be able to do like a little face frame and get the look that I so desire. You have to calculate in your mind before you buy these wigs, okay? Okay? Let's see. Kenya likes the wig already. This is Laysha. Outre's Laysha.
I love you, Laysha. Hey.
And I have chocolate swirl. Laysha is from the Perfect Hairline line. She is fully hand-tied, 13 by 6 frontal, 6-inch deep lace parting. Huh? And if you know me, then you know that that's a must. I need that 6 inches going bike, especially if I'm gonna have a middle part. Ooh, because you can't claim a bust down middle part if your part is like 4 inches. That does not qualify. It's qualifications in this thing. But you can get a good quality bust down with 6 inches going bike. Okay. Did you hear me what I said? Okay. Ear to ear, soft HD transparent lace. The back has an adjustable band for a glueless install. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it glueless, but you can if you so desire. They have combs for security. The hairline is pre-plucked and it's gradual. I like that. That means it looks like something. Sometimes some companies are pre-plucked just a little bit. They'll pluck just a couple little strands and ship it. Huh? You know Outre on these perfect hairline wigs, they pluck, baby. You can do extra if you want to, but you do not have to. That's the key. Some of them that come pre-plucked, you have to continue on in that journey. Okay? And this is 20 inches. Let's look. I'm gonna have to style it. Ooh. Honey, this chocolate swirl. I'm thinking this is gonna give me the 90s layer look that I so desire. Look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. Didn't I tell you they pluck? Didn't I tell you they pluck these wigs? Didn't I tell you? Come on now. Come on now. Now you can go in, like I said, even more if you want to. If you are a plucker supreme, do your thing. Very natural. Not wiggy, not shiny. None of the things. But let's toss this baby on. Yeah. I know that's right, girl. Everybody about to wear their wigs like this. Look at that. Bam. Let me take these glasses off, honey, because they working my last good nerve. Ooh, look at that hairline. Look. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you about that hairline? That hairline. Didn't I tell you about that hairline? I told y'all. Ooh, honey, I might have to swipe this to the side. I know I was talking about a middle part with layers, but... I don't know which way to approach it now. Y'all, I like this. I love how the layers that are in it gives it that personality. Ooh. This that Janet Jackson cut of the 90s, baby. Oh, man. I think I'm gonna do the middle still, but y'all, it feels really good. It feels really good. That color is pretty. I'm definitely gonna put some heat to the top to kind of flatten that a little bit. It's a little high and mighty up here, which will work perfectly if you were doing like a side swoop, something like that. But since I'm doing the middle part, I want that to be real good and flat up top. So I'm gonna apply some heat. I'm gonna apply some heat up here because this is heat safe, up to 400 degrees. So you can do that. You can do it and push your back into it. Yeah, these are heat resistant fiber. Y'all look at that. I love their hairlines. These perfect hairline wigs make it so easy, y'all. Come on, y'all, look at that. They make it very easy. And when you do a color like this, ooh, it's gonna, I'm in between, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. My mind was made up till I put it on. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm gonna use my own ear tabs. So I'm gonna cut this, and I'm also going to tint this lace, because clearly we looking nope. But that's why I put it on my face. So if you are brown like me, you gotta see what it looks like on different shades, okay? Let's just put it like that. All right, so that's why I show you before I do any sort of tinting, because I want you to see, hun. You may have seen this wig on somebody else of a different shade, and they put it on, and bam, it's hitting from jump, baby.
From jump, big baby.
But not me. We're gonna have to tint this, okay? Ooh, I'm loving this. I'm loving. Look at the body. Let me just go ahead and style it, y'all. Yeah, let me go ahead and style it. Yeah. Hold it. Hit that subscribe button, okay? Hold a minute.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Beat that, I'ma make you